not to be confused with Isaak August Dorner, 1809–1884. August Johannes Dorner, the 13th of May 1846 in Schiltach, Württemberg, the 17th of April 1920 in Hannover, was a German Protestant theologian. He was the son of Isaak August Dorner. Biography. After studying at Göttingen, Tübingen and Berlin, he served as vicar to the German congregation in Lyon and Marseille. From 1870 to 1873 he was a lecturer at the University of Göttingen, then worked as a professor of theology and as co-director of the theological seminary at Wittenberg, 1874 to 1889. In 1889 he was appointed professor of systematic theology at the University of Königsberg. Published works. Amongst his works is Augustinus, Sein theologisches System und seine Religionsphilosophieanschauung. Augustinus, his theological system and its religious philosophical viewpoint. 1873. His other principal writings include Das menschliche Handeln, Philosophische Ethik, 1895, Human Action, Philosophical Ethics, Die Entstehung der christlichen Glaubenslehren, 1906, The Emergence of Christian Doctrines, Individual and Sozialethik, 1906, Individual and Social Ethics, Pessimismus, Nietzsche und Naturalismus, mit besonderer Beziehung auf die Religion, 1911, Pessimism, Nietzsche and Naturalism with a special reference to religion, Die Metaphysik des Christentums, 1913, The Metaphysics of Christianity. Also, he was the author of the article on Isaak Dorner in the Allgemeine Deutsche Biographie.